Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Solution. Today I am going to discuss about Panda series map. Panda series map. So what is map? The main task of map is used to map the values from two series that have a common columns. Okay, that have common columns when we are going to merge two series. To map the two series, the last column of the first series should be same as the index column of the second series and the value should be unique. Okay. So what the syntax of the series? Series dot map, and we have two arguments. First arg and second one is na underscore xm equal to none. That's the by default value is none. So what's the argument? That the argument will be function, dictionary or series. So the argument will be function, dictionary and series. And the second one NA action. So NA action we have two values. One is anon, that is by default value, and second one is ignore. The default value is none. If we are going to pass the ignore, it returns null value without passing it to the mapping correspondence. So if we are going to use ignore, then it will return null values. Okay. So let's go with the example. Click on +1. So before that, let's import pandas as PDs, import numpy as NP, set enter. Okay. Now I am going to create one series, pd.series, as will be caps. We are going to pass Java, going to pass C, going to pass C++, and np.nan. Okay. Now I am going to map with the values. A.map. I'm going to pass Java for the corresponding core. And even we can use here Python also. Java core C values inheritance. Okay. Now I'm going to print store into x, print the value of x. So what will the output? The series is Java, C, C++, Python and NaN. So what it will be map? Java is going to map with the core, right? And C is going to map with the inheritance. So what will the output will be? 0 core, that is going to replace with the Java, C, that is going to replace with inheritance, and C++, Python and NPN, that is the 0, 1, 2. So what will the output? 0 with core, 1 with inheritance, 2 will be NaN, and 3 will be also NaN. Okay, and 4th will be NaN also, because we don't have any mapping of that. Okay, let's run and see. Right, 0 is the core, 1 is the inheritance, second, third and fourth will be none. Okay, because we don't have any mapping, we have only mapping Java and C, right? Not C++, Python and NPN. So if you are going to map with C++ also, Cout, then what will be the output? 2 is going to replace with none to Cout, because now we get the mapping of C++. Let's run and see, right? Cout. So this is clear now. Now I am going to show another example. So let's copy this one, panda series, same. And now I'm going to map a dot map and going to pass im a space parenthesis dot format. Okay. Now if you are going to run, what will happen? All the values, right? Java, C, C++, Python, NPM. That is going to add with IMA. Okay, IMA Java, IMA C, IMA C++, IMA Python, and NAN. Okay, let's shift enter and see the output. Right? 0 with IM Java, IMA Java. Okay, the space will be, and let's once again. IMA Java, IMA C, IMA C++, IMA Python, and IMA NAN. Right? This is clear now. So what the map be actually doing? When you want to substitute each value in a series with another value that may be derived from a function or dictionary or a series. For that purpose, we are going to use map to replace with some values. Okay. Now I am going to give another example using the second parameter, that is NA underscore action. So let's go with NA underscore action. If you are going to pass, ignore. So to avoid applying the function to missing values and keep them as NaN. Okay, for that we are using NA underscore action equal to ignore. So now I am going to create new series for that as equal to pd dot series and going to pass fox, cow, and p dot nan and dog. Okay. Now I am going to add s dot map to pass with im a space folder dot format, and then we are going to pass np underscore action equal to ignore. So when we are going to run, what will happen? This is a fox, this is a cow, and this is NaN, and this is dog. For this NaN, that is going to ignore, right? Here what will happen? When you are going to use, so what will happen here? When we are not going to pass anything, then default value of NP action is none. So if you are going to add, right, IMA placeholder and then format for NP So what is saying? IMA NaN. Now if you don't want to this one, because NA is not a number, right? For that we are going to use ignore. So what will the output here? I am a fox, I am a cow, and NaN. Instead of I am a NaN, that will go into NaN, and then I am a dog. Okay. Now this is going to close and shift. Right? 0 is I am a fox, cow, but third not I am a NaN, and then I am a dog. Now if you are going to remove here np underscore action ignore, or either we are going to pass even none also, then what will be the output? This is going to check to, now it will come IMA NaN. Okay, let's run and see. Right, IMA NaN. If you are going to pass none, and if you are going to use ignore, then it will convert to NaN only. Let's run and see. Right, so this is clear. So for today, that's it. If you have any queries on this video, please comment on that. And if you really like this video, please like, share and subscribe it. We will meet once again in new video with new topics. And the topic will be standard deviation.